Traders, welcome to Simply Forex. If you want to improve as a trader, then you're definitely in the right place. Each week, I'm going to give you easy to follow trade ideas, give you tips and advice so you too can succeed at trading. So stay to the end of the vid, guys. And today I'm going to share with you all of my trade ideas for today and also understand why I want to take these trades, more importantly. Don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment. So let's get stuck in, guys, because we've got a few trades to look at today. And let's start with yen weakness. So the catalyst for a couple of our trades today is yen weakness, guys. We really saw some weakness in the yen come into the market, right? And you can see that with our first pair here. We're looking to buy Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We also had some CAD strength as well. So if we just follow structure, we have got a little bit of sideways action here, but in yesterday's candle, we had a nice big bullish candle. So we're in an uptrend stroke range, right? But we are in an uptrend. And you can see here, guys, we've got the moving average 20. We've got this area of support here as well, plus this big bullish candle, right? There's lots of reasons to like to buy this pair. And all we want to do, guys, is just take price back up to these last highs and this 109.50 level. Okay, so daily gives me my direction, all right? And that's telling me that I want to buy this pair. And then, guys, I'm basically looking at H4 or H1 for entries. So if we drop down to H4, you can also see we broke H4 structure, right? Because we was in this downtrend. Right, at this point, we're clearly in a downtrend. And then price just shot up like a madman, right? Breaking these highs here. Therefore, we're getting higher highs, right? We're in an uptrend. We're above the moving average 20, which I like to see. And just look at the bullishness of the candles. Just buyers are in complete control of this market. And this too is looking bullish, this H4 candle, although it hasn't finished forming yet. So what do I want to see to trade this? I mean, I'm not going to just start buying here, guys, because there's no value, right? And if price just shoots off, no problem, right? I don't have a trade. I don't suffer with FOMO, right? But what I do want to see is a retrace, perhaps a retrace, you know, back to this level through here. Yeah, moving average 20, right? And then I can start buying this pair because this represents value. I can put my stop loss below here and I've got plenty of room to move into as well. All right, so CAD yen, that's how I'm going to roll with that trade. The next yen pair we're looking at is Swiss franc yen. Again, this yen weakness was in the market. If we look at the day chart, you can clearly see we are in this uptrend, right? So we're clearly in an uptrend on the day chart. Okay, so very important you understand trend first of all. And then if we zoom in a little bit, you can see this area of support where price has been constantly bouncing off. Again, the moving average 20 is nice and near to that level, plus a very nice big bullish candle, right? Again, looking to buy this. And my target will be up to this level here. It's 175. If I zoom out a bit, guys, you can see it, yeah? Just trying to take it up to this area of resistance here. So again, daily gives you my direction. If we drop down to the H4, it is rocketing, right? The problem with these trades, these yen trades, is can we catch them, right? And if we can't, we can't, right? But I want to get in at value. It's so important, guys, that you buy something at value. If you're going to buy a house, you don't want to pay top price for it. Yeah, you want to get a 20% discount or whatever. It's the same with trading, guys. So understanding this value, right? We're clearly in an uptrend, and I'm actually still in this trade, right? But the problem is, right, its price is up here. There's no value. I'm going to need a retrace, you know, towards this level. Whether it makes it all the way down to there, probably not. And then we've got the moving average 20. I would also consider taking buys from this level as well. But we need some kind of retrace. as it happens, guys, I'm still in this trade. So let me just show you that. Okay, so you can see, guys, yeah, this is the VIP Trading Academy, and this is where I put all of my trade ideas. So you can see my entries, stop loss, take profit, Swiss franc yen buys. So if you're interested in receiving my trade signals along with, you know, many tutorials, you can ask me questions. We've got the Trading Academy. Then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And right now, guys, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you get free access. So what's not to like? Come join. So yeah, this is the trade we're in. We need a bit of a retrace first before we start buying, unless you're already in the trade. What else are we looking at today? We're also looking at CAD Swiss franc. Okay, so if we start with the day chart, this again, start with structure, understand the trend of the market, right? And the trend of this market is this really. We was in this downtrend, right? But we broke up. Yeah, we're getting higher lows, higher highs, right? Price has come down to the bottom of this level again, and then it's pushed up again, right? So we're in a uptrend just, but stroke range, right? Price is just ranging from here to here, right? We're in this range ultimately. Okay, so if you think about that, it's okay. We can take trades from the bottom of the range back up to the top of the range. And yesterday's candle is giving me the confidence to do that, right? We had a nice bullish wick form yesterday, and it closed back into this area of support and resistance that we're interested in. If we drop down to the H4 now, what am I waiting for? So basically, guys, I'm waiting for a structure break, okay? You can clearly see that H4 is in this downtrend, right? And this is where we're at currently. We're getting lower highs, lower lows, right? We're in a downtrend and we're below the moving average 20. So all I want to see is this, right? We get maybe some price action like this, and then eventually moving average 20 comes round like this, and then we get a break through this level. We get a break through this resistance level, I will be buying Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, you know, back up to here, if not further. But I have to have that break. It's so important that you plan your trade, guys. And this is exactly what this is. I need the break of that H4 structure. So yeah, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, guys. Also, can I just mention, if you're enjoying the analysis, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the notification button and smash the like button right now, guys. Really helps support the vid. Merci beaucoup. And also, guys, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community. We've got the free Discord channel. You can speak to like-minded traders, share ideas. So come join that. It's free. Just verify yourself. And also, guys, I showed you the VIP Trading Academy. You can also join that as well. And right now, you can get free access if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers. It's a no-brainer. It's free, right? So check all that out, guys. What else are we looking at today? So I also like Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, so if we look at Euro Aussie dollar, we're getting such a bearish reaction right now, right? So let's start with the day chart. And again, we're just gonna keep applying price action. Okay, so if we look at this trend, right, at this point we are still in a downtrend because these highs haven't broken. Then we got this level here, but these highs never broke. But then we had a new higher low. So we needed this to be broken, okay, for it to be a downtrend. And that's exactly what happened with this big bearish red candle. It broke these lows with the body of its this candle. So we're still in a downtrend. Okay, I know we got some bullish-ish candles last couple of days, but I'm just waiting for price to break down so I can start selling this. So we're in a downtrend. And then all I want to see, I mean, on the H4, I mean, currently we're still in a H4 uptrend, really. I mean, this is where we're at. But look at this reaction. Yeah, that is just euro weakness, right? Yeah, because if you look at any euro pair, okay, well maybe, yeah, okay, let's have a look at an Aussie dollar pair. Okay, a bit of a mixture of both, guys, a bit of euro weakness and Aussie dollar strength here. Okay, so what do I want to see to start selling this? So H4, right, I want to see a structure break, but you know, this really here is the last low. So I would consider a H1 entry. If we drop down to the H1, you can clearly see H1 structure is breaking down, right? And this is where we're at. So I would just look for a retrace into this grey zone. Yeah, moving average 20 comes round. I think this would be a really nice zone for selling Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, so euros, and we got one more trade, guys. Don't go anywhere. We have the last trade we're going to look at is silver. Haha. I have to do my pirate impression when I say silver. If we look at the day chart, again, we just need value, right? If we look at the day chart, we've clearly broken this key level of resistance, right? And we are in an uptrend, right? You don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that is in an uptrend, right? But we need a retrace, and this candle is suggesting perhaps we might get a retrace. Okay, if we drop down to the H4, you know, that's really what I'm looking at, guys. I mean, you know, even if price dropped to this level here, or even the moving average 20 caught up, but I need some kind of retrace. Yeah, I need some kind of value in here, and then we can look to start buying silver. If it makes it all the way down to this grey zone, great. This would be a great buying area too. So we shall see. But silver, again, we need some value. All right, guys. So yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. If you've enjoyed them, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. We'll look at the live charts, get all of your questions ready for me, and I'll see you then, guys.